Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Today we have a special guest with us, Rajiv Singh Rajput. He recently cracked Infosys for L1 role and is from 2026 batch. And tomorrow many of the student has exam. So I forced him to come to this platform and give the last minute tips like many people are confused. If you do one question, second question, if you move, then can you come back to the first question? Pen, paper you can use or not. So a lot of things we are going to discuss. So once again, Raju, welcome to Online Study for You platform.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm glad to be here.
Okay, so can you quickly introduce yourself?
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Rajiv Singh Rajput. I'm a final year BTech student at City Bhopal, specializing in electronics and communication branch. Recently, I have interviewed for Infosys Specialist Programmer L1 role, and I cracked it. And yeah, I am excited to share that things with you all.
Okay, so last time we had recorded the video and the comment was like, a lot of comments were there, sir, you please be silent, let him talk. So today
Yeah, yeah.
you
I
will have to,
also saw
yeah.
that.
So today you will have to talk because I wanted to get the information, more information from you, but that's okay. So please give the last minute tips. Now I'll be silent. You please continue.
Okay, so last minute tips, some of them would be like there would be 3 hours and you would be having three questions. So the questions level would be easy, medium, hard, I guess. So you can switch between the questions. Like if you are trying to solve the easy one and you are not able to get the correct approach, you can directly move to the medium one and you can try that question. Like later on, you can come back to the previous question also, and there would be 12 test cases in each of the questions. Try to pass as many test cases as possible, and try to get at least two questions right. Like 24 test cases it should be correct, and I think most probably you would get the interview mail for after doing two questions. Like for me, I solved 2.7 of the three questions, and like they would provide you with pen and paper, so nothing to worry about it. And you can like write your approaches in it and do everything in that.
Okay. So which topic will be more important for this examination? Because now they were telling, the students were telling last time that there is no arrays, string and all. So which topic then you think like, which will be probably coming in the examination?
Okay. Okay, so Infosys online assessment, everyone knows that it is quite tough. Like they hardly ask normal array or string questions. So the topic which I would suggest you all to focus would be DP, graph, and trees. So just the questions revolve around mainly these topics. Like in graph, BFS, DFS अच्छे से कर लेना. And yeah, these are the topics that I would suggest.
Okay. And per question, how much time like, you will suggest to spend like 1 hour for each question, or like you have to manage because easy question will definitely, I mean, they say like, okay, easy, medium and complex road, hard, whatever it is. So you mean to say like half an hour, for the easy question or something like that. So how should we manage the time?
It shouldn't be like that half an hour you fixed it for easy question only. Like you
Mhm,
are trying to read the question, you are for half an hour you are reading it and you are not able to get the approach. I
mhm,
would suggest let give at least 10 to 15 minutes to the easy question.
mhm.
Like read it properly, what is it is trying to convey. Read the constraints properly, and if you are getting the approach within the first 15 minutes, then try to code it on pen and paper. And if you aren't getting it, like move to the medium one, try to read it properly and try to solve it, and like this way you can solve maximum questions.
Okay. So, okay. And also, what all the languages will be there which in which you can code? So will there be like
Okay,
anything written? Yeah.
there was C++, Java, and Python also was there. So I coded all the questions in Java.
Okay. So do you also felt that is there any compiler issues or something like that? So can you
No,
see?
no,
I
no.
I don't know.
There
Like
isn't
once you sit
any.
in the exam, like what all things will be there. So I wanted you to tell as much as things possible from your experience point of view.
So in my case, there wasn't any as such compiler issues. The compiler is well and good.
Okay.
Also, that you don't need to write that main function. It would be written there. You just need to implement the answer function like as we do in the lead code.
Okay, so same like whatever the lead code platforms, the questions how we do, same way
Mm,
we'll have to do it.
yeah.
Okay. Anything else which you want to suggest to the student? Because I did not wanted to have this conversation very long because tomorrow they have exam, and I just wanted to be like be sure. And also, is this I mean, in your batches, did anybody face the issues like if you're moving your eyes or head anywhere, or seeing this side or some kind of noise? So where exactly you were writing the exam, in college itself?
Yes, ours was in college only.
Okay, so this kind of problems also happened, like certain kind of issues while writing the exam.
Okay, actually, sir, I was quite focused on my giving my assessment. Like I did not look here and there,
Okay,
and most of the people they went after within 1 hour. We were allowed to leave the room. Like
okay,
if you are not able to get it, you can leave after 1 hour. So most of the like a whole lab actually got emptied within 1.5 hour. I was alone sitting there and attempting questions.
okay. Good. So that's all, Raju. I think so. This last minute tips will definitely help them. Anything else you could think of? Because today I want you to speak.
Okay, one more thing, sir. Like on the previous video, also we shared my that Instagram link. Like I will provide it to you. You can mention it in the there in the
Sure, sure,
description so that they can directly reach out to me. Like
sure, sure.
I would be available. I would definitely reply to them.
Okay. So guys, so his link will be there. I mean, Instagram link will be there in the description. So please reach out to him directly because he is a person who can give you, the direct information, because I am taking from him and then I'm giving it to you. So you can directly connect with him. So thanks, Raju, for this short discussion. This might help, uh, the students preparing
Yeah.
for. And one more thing I told them, because companies are now telling use AI, because AI everywhere we have to use now. So because the exams are virtual, so I said them, okay, follow
Okay.
company.
Yeah. At home they can do that.
Yeah, but the thing
Like
is
ours
like
was in.
they have to be like little, careful, like because it's plagiarism checks and all will be there. So we should not directly copy paste the codes. So you have to like a little bit
Exact.
modify, and then only you should take it. So don't blindly just give it to any AI tools and copy it. But anyway, I don't suggest them. But if at all, if they are doing
Exactly,
it,
sir. Like if they would do like that, like if they have a further assessment also, so
correct,
there they would get removed.
correct, correct, because second round is also there. But use wisely. See, the sources are all the sources are there. But the only thing is, at every place you have to be smart and use everything very much wisely. We are not able to speak more about that, but yes, all the very very best for your exam tomorrow. Thank you, Raju.
Thank you, sir. All the very best to all of you.